supposed to be the most recognizable.
Mouth is frozen.
Us Indians, we have a very spooky feeling when it comes to cemeteries, thanks to the Ramsay brothers and Scooby-Doo.
I can't believe I said that. I feel so old.
A 4-hour drive to this sleepy fishing town in the north of Iceland called Siglufjordur.
Looks so good.
Best falafel ever. This right here is like my dream car. That's what you get when you cross the monster truck with the bus. This had a very scary off-road sort of an experience here. So we are staying at this farm here in South Iceland, and we have networked and made friends with some really influential people here in Iceland.
Fetch.
Check marks in our bucket list.
Filled with sulfuric acid.
3 days, even if you get one day that's sunny, you're lucky.
In Madhve and in buffets, do not stop.
It's all green energy.
Met a little feline friend.
Spotted this really interesting lighthouse, very Wes Anderson-ish.
Like your evil laugh echoed around Pacific.
I absolutely loved it.
Team basically comes out of these fumaroles.
Strong craving for egg puffs and veg puffs.
The earth on steroids, right?
It's so full of beauty and it's so wild that you can't help but fall in love with it. And I can't wait till we come back to explore this country.